were in there for 3 minutes. 3 minutes in a box of fire.
She's had no memories for 3 months, other than those you've given her.
There's a new world coming.
I look at myself in the mirror, and I don't even know who's looking back at me.
And it's just around the bend.
She doesn't remember anything except what they tell her.
This one's coming to an end.
You are the only one who has ever gone out and survived.
There's a new voice.
Truth does not come without cost.
The amount of panic if people found out.
Found out what?
How much time we have left.
I get splinters of memories. If the founders cared so much, why do they need to kill Asylum? The questions she's asking will get us killed. There's something I have to do to protect everyone.
You made your choice. You'll die.
Your friends as well.
What are you afraid we'll find?
We do not know why we are here. We do not know when it will be safe to go outside. We only know that day is not this day.
The end of the world cannot be stopped. It can only be survived.
Juliette, whatever you're going to do it now.
There's a new world coming, and it's just around the bend.